A lawmaker from Unity State said uniformed men abducted 6 young men on Thursday morning at a displacement camp in the state capital, Monytuil, for allegedly instigating protests demanding for the dismissal of the state governor. Merrill Mark, who represents Monytuil County in the National Legislative Assembly, has identified those kidnapped as John Jal Jewel, Gatjang Tap Dole, Gatwich Majak Deng, Chuit Maber, Gatluak John Puit and Reith. They were allegedly picked up from their residence at the Protection of Civilian site in Monytuil town at about 3 a.m. The lawmaker said the youth were kidnapped days after the state authorities demanded that the protest leaders calling for the removal of Governor Joseph Nguyen Monytuil to surrender to the government. "I just received a call this morning that they were abducted last night," said Merrill, adding that their whereabouts are not known. The reason behind their abduction is based on the report that they demanded the resignation or removal of the state governor. Governor Monytuil, who has been given a disputed no-confidence vote by the Council of States, is heavily criticized over his handling of insecurities that have affected the oil-rich Unity State since January this year. MP Merrill is now asking the national government to intervene and ensure the release of the abducted. "I actually decried to the government of national unity to intervene on this matter to leave youth free. It is not a crime to express your feeling which is not satisfied on things that are happening. I am urging the government of national unity to intervene in this and to urge the government of unity of state not to keep kidnap youth, so that is my take on this matter," said Merrill. When contacted by iRadio, the State Information Minister David Guy said he is not aware of the youth abduction. "No, I don't have such information. If these people claiming they are from the SSPDF, they have to consult or they have to find out from the SSPDF," said Minister Guy. "Something related security issues that they need to address to them. As spoke of the government of Unity State, I don't have such knowledge about that."